Hi. Now we are going to see two tool paths. One is the um, blend tool path, another is the equal scallop tool path. So blend tool path is same if you see here and the normal tool path. For example, if we will make one small example here. I'll draw two lines. See this between these two lines I am going to make the blending. Blending between the two surfaces. Sometimes what happen there due to some problem in the machining, maybe somewhere there is a gouged. So people what they will do in that particular place they will add some welding thing, and after welding then they will blend these surfaces to match with each other. So that situation, this blend tool path is very well useful. So I'll select speed blend. I will keep 0. Select the surface. So entire surface I will select. Okay. Now a curve. I will select the. Sorry, I wrongly select this curve, and this is the second curve. Okay. Tool. So I will take ball and mill. I will select the switch on the holder. Blending I kept zigzag. Sep power percentage I given. Smoothing I switch on. So you can switch on the coolant. I'll accept. Okay. So it is showing the gauge is checked. You can see that this is the blending tool path. So it will create very nice tool path, one entry and one exit. So what is the additional between the previous one and this one is number of passes is added here. You can see one pass. Let us see what is. I'll just change it to 5 passes. Let us see. So I think it's not suitable for the. In case this is suitable for the single line blending. For example, I'll modify this only single line, and I'll say number of passes now added. Now we'll regenerate. Some error has come. Oh, I think there is something. So we'll check it. What is the meaning of it? So we'll check what is that number of passes. So it will number of cutting passes only it is. So we'll see. So the one curve we have removed it. That I will add it now. Okay. Now I'll change the 25 passes. Just we need to understand what it is. 50 passes I given. Okay. It's giving error. It's not giving the result. So there is additional tab is given here. So it is for the 2D, 3D. So I just switched on the 3D, then it started its calculation. So let us see. So this is all about the blend toolpath. So we'll make little speed up. It means so two type of restriction you can give. So earlier it was 2D and giving the error. So now I changed to 3D. Either you can give number of passes or step over. Okay, this is the surface finish blend toolpath. So next we'll see scale up, constant scale up toolpath. So toolpath surface high speed equal scale up. I'll remove the stock here 00. I'll keep the stock 00. I'll select the surface. I need entire surface. Oh, something is not. Maybe my plane is on that, not in the top. I'll reselect again. Okay, now selection is done. The stock is 0. Here I'll select the boundary now. Okay. Tool, I'll select a small tool 3 ball. Here, so optimize cut adder equal inside, expand inside to outside. These two are there. Additional stepper is given here. Number of offsets you can give here, maximum number of offsets. These are the additional things given here. So remaining all other things are similar. Already we are using it. Parameter wise, optimize cut order. The cutting methods are similar to previous one. Optimize cut order is there. So expand inside outside and smoothing is on here. So you can give step over percentage you can give. Number of offset you can modify. You can see that what is that number of offset. You can read it from here. Select number of maximum number of offsets. First we'll keep 0. So but later on we'll change it and see. I just removed that particular tab. Again an error is coming. Let us check what is. So somewhere the plane is the making issue. It is reflected in the toolpath also. You check in the plane. Yes. So that's the reason it's created the difficulty in the calculation. So it's better always check your plane before starting your toolpath. Sometimes this may happens unknowingly that you can see the toolpath is smoothly it is made. Now we'll check it. What is number of offset? Now we'll kept 0. No toolpath you can see. No toolpath at all. Now we'll keep 1 and check. So only 1 pass. It means that number of cutting passes you can give it here. It gives in terms of number of passes you can cut it, or otherwise you can restrict by step over. Both the possibilities are available here. If you give more, then it will machine entire thing. So this is all about the high speed surface finish, blend and the equal scallop toolpath. With this we have finished all high speed surface finish toolpaths. So what is left out is the multi-axis. We are not going to discuss about multi-axis here in the online. For multi-axis, you need to have a good concepts to be cleared first before going for machining. 5-axis machines are costly, and so you should have a complete understanding about the machine before going for the toolpath. So for that reason, this cannot be explained to you by the online. So it need the different kind of training. So with this, we have seen 2D and 3D toolpaths. So next we'll see the turning and wire cut also. So we'll close it by finishing the wire cut and the turning toolpaths. So with this we have finished the surface finish high speed toolpaths. Thank you.